When I think of unity in the SOA, I think of working together toward the common goal of providing a world-class accounting education that is spiritually strengthening, intellectually enlarging, and character building, and that leads to lifelong learning and service. I think of junior core groups of 5 students bonding together over the Warren case, practicing together Arch's tips for making professional presentations, and studying together for the first midterm exam of the semester. I think of MAC students working together with their groups to prepare a case or research presentation. I think of faculty coordinating to provide common integrated courses to help students see the big picture of accounting principles, such as revenue recognition, from an accounting information systems, financial accounting, and audit perspective. I think of staff helping each other ensure that students meet all the requirements for graduation, have a dynamic, rewarding job to start their professional career, and stay connected through a vibrant, active Ohana alumni network. Over the last 100 years, SOA faculty and students have built a nationally ranked program. But as great as the academic achievements of our faculty and students are, the secret sauce of the SOA is our shared belief that we are all children of God, striving to serve and lift one another as Jesus Christ taught during his mortal ministry. Because you bring your unique experience and best self to the program, we can all strive to assist one another in our quest for perfection and eternal life. Thank you for your part in helping us be one.